Oh, hey! Welcome to Quick Crafts. I'm David, and today's activity is DIY instruments. Let's make music. Our first instrument is this little harmonical kazoo. And for this activity, you need popsicle sticks, 3 rubber bands, and a toothpick that you cut in half. To make it, you're going to put 1 rubber band lengthwise on the popsicle stick, put a toothpick underneath, put a toothpick on top, put the other popsicle stick on top, and using the other rubber bands, you're going to very tightly put it on the ends and separate your toothpicks all the way to the ends. And you should be good to go. For a maraca, you will just need an Easter egg and 2 spoons or forks or sporks. You're gonna fill your egg with beads and tape it in between your 2 sporks. For a bell shaker, all you need are some bells, a stick or dowel, and some strings. This one's super easy, just tie them on. For a mandolin, all you need is an embroidery ring or something round and some rubber bands. Just string them on and tighten it up. For a panflute, all you need are straws, scissors, and tape. You will line up your straws and tape them together. Then trim the edges. Voila! Drums are our last instrument, and you can always go easy with some buckets, or you can make your own. For this, you'll need some cardboard tubes and balloons. You're gonna cut off the bottom and stretch it over the top. A drum. Thanks for joining us today on Quick Crafts. Share a video of your backyard concert with your homemade instruments. We'll see you next time.
1, 2.